Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to post Instagram story from laptop. Firstly, go to instagram.com and log in to your account. Right click anywhere on the right side of the screen, then select Inspect. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to open Developer Tools. In the top left of the developer panel, click Mobile Tablet icon. This is Toggle Device Toolbar. Your screen will now simulate a mobile browser. At the top of the viewport, choose a device like iPhone X or iPhone 11 from the drop-down. Then refresh the page to apply the view. After refreshing, you'll see the plus icon at the top left like on mobile. Just click it and choose Story. Select a photo or video from your computer to upload, then click Add to your story and it will be published. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.